We're all in the same boat, understanding this common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, in the same boat. This expression is widely used in conversations, but what does it actually mean? Let's explore together and make it as clear as crystal by the end of this video. Stay tuned. The phrase, in the same boat, is a metaphorical expression used to indicate that two or more people are in the same situation, usually facing the same challenges or difficulties. It comes from the idea that if people are in the same boat, they would have to work together and face the same risks or rewards. It's a way of expressing solidarity or shared circumstances. While the exact origin is a bit murky, in the same boat likely stems from historical times when sea voyages were common. Travelers or crew on the same ship would share the fate of that journey, whether good or bad. This shared experience is the root of the phrase, symbolizing a common situation or destiny. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. We're all struggling to meet our project deadlines. It looks like we're in the same boat. After hearing about their travel delays, I realized we were in the same boat, waiting for the storm to pass. With the recent budget cuts, all departments are in the same boat, trying to do more with less. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing shared experiences or challenges. You can use in the same boat in both formal and informal settings. It's particularly effective in situations where you want to express empathy, solidarity, or a mutual understanding of circumstances. However, be mindful of the context and ensure the other person understands the metaphor to avoid confusion. And there you have it. In the same boat is a powerful expression to communicate shared experiences or challenges. We hope this video has shed some light on how and when to use this phrase effectively. Remember, language is not just about words but the connections they help us forge. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!